Today we're going to the Cadillac Kings barbecue. I'm really looking forward to it. They invite me every year, which I really appreciate. I've never been able to make it. Usually I'm out of town, or an old friend's coming in from out of town, or the dog's sick. You know how it goes. There's always something. But that's not today. Today I get to go to the Cadillac Kings barbecue, and I'm really looking forward to it. Over the years I've met a lot of guys at different shows in different cities, but today everyone's in one spot here in Vegas, and I get to say hi. I'm really looking forward to it. So we're going to take a ride. We're going to take the 1959 Cadillac Limousine from the Godfather 2 movie, if you don't know, and we're going to the barbecue. Another limousine, the new and the old. There we go, 59 and a 60. What a beautiful car. This is absolutely incredible. A friend of mine in front of me, Mike Finn, cool guy. Look at that 60 limousine. How awesome is that?
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice.
Thank you, brother.
59.
This is an incredible lineup of cars. Hey, dude. How you doing?
Show up?
Yeah, I finally got out of there. Had a sick dog.
We'll park way at the end.
This is what an incredible lineup of cars, man.
You guys hit out the group picture, getting ready.
How many cars does Mike Finn have?
Are you up next?
47.
Oh, okay. It hasn't broken yet. And it says some pretty
Do you
rough
have a
people.
reservation for 1:30?
Anytime. I'm more than happy. Oh. Holy crap, look at this lineup.
Hey, what's up, Tromba?
Hey, dude.
Hey, just park right there.
All right, he wants us to park here. We'll walk through. This is absolutely the most incredible lineup of Cadillacs I've ever seen. We're gonna walk through, and, and I'm a Cadillac guy. I've been doing this a long time, and here in Las Vegas, the Cadillac Kings are doing it right with their barbecue. I'm really honored they wanted me here. I really appreciate it. This is my boy Jeff's car. He's done a ton of work to it. Jeff is a great dude. A friend of mine in my neighborhood actually painted the roof. Did a great job, did that flake. Jeff's my man. I love this car. Gotta love a flat top. Nope, pretty sure I know whose car this is also, but I don't want to say because I don't want to be wrong. Love it though. And I know it is. I know it is, but just don't want to say. Awesome. 55. Look at that patina. I love patina. If you know me, you know I love patina. Man, that's just a start. This is a Las Vegas car. Love it. Tell me you don't love that. And we got the raccoon tail. We got the Cadillac Kings flag. On a beautiful Fleetwood. An incredible lineup. I mean, an incredible lineup. I can't say that enough. Look at these Sabres somebody added to this caddy. I actually have a few pairs of Sabres at my house. They need to get restored, re-chromed, but I probably have about 3 pairs of them. I'm glad I have them. Look at this Eldorado, 66 Eldorado. Who owns this? It's incredible. Oh, 66 Eldorado. Look at the interior. Is that wood? Is that real wood? Shouldn't be touching it, but I think that's real wood. I didn't know they came with wood, and it looks factory to me. I could be wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. How cool is that? Look at this. 65, white 65. No, you're fine. How you doing?
How are you?
Good. White 65 dropped. It's beautiful. I know this car. There's a long story behind it that I'm not going to get into right now, but it is suicide doors. This is a cool car. I almost owned it, but that's a story for another time. Look at this car. I know this guy. I know this car. I know these wheels. Look how cool those wheels are. And the tires. They really suit this car. It's a beautiful car. 62. I miss my 62. Amazing. I miss my 62. I saw it running around not that long ago. It's still here in Vegas. The guy told me he was going to paint it white. He's done nothing with it, but it still looks good going down the road. Another 66. How can you not like a 66? That teal sure is nice. What a beautiful car. Look at that 59 Limousine. A baller must own that. What a beautiful car, man. Here we go. 59 Coupe. Next to it is a 59 Coupe. Next to that is a 59 Coupe. Next to that is a 59 Coupe. This is my buddy Tim Johnson's car. 2 weeks ago, it didn't look like this. What he's done in such a short amount of time is nothing less than amazing. We'll do a video on just this car alone. The front end is amazing. The back end, I don't know, should I save it for later? The back end is going to blow your mind. We'll save it. 61 Convertible. Look at these coupes. And then it goes to a 60 Coupe. Love 60 Coupe, especially in black. I'm telling you, the Cadillac Kings know how to do this. Eldorado. You like these? Look at that. Here we go. I can't wait to check out this 60 Limo on the end. And that's a real limousine. Here's another 60 Sedan. Here's another 59. Beautiful. And here we go. 59 Convertible. Doesn't get much better than a 59 Convertible. I sold mine. Should have never did that. But I only seem to sell the good ones. Look at that 62. Maybe that's my old 62. Maybe he did finally paint it white. That's a beautiful car. Alright, for me, this is probably my favorite car. I do like them long. Longer the better when it comes to Cadillacs. This is a 60 and this is a true limousine. I'll show you why. It has the divider glass back here. I actually bought it for mine, the setup, and the man shipped it across the country and it was all broken because he shipped it like crap. Did a terrible job of shipping it. 60 limousine. Like I said, this is a real limousine. He did do away with the 60 hubcaps, and I give him a lot of credit for that because 60 hubcaps make me want to cry at night. But these 59s look so much better and they're beautiful and suit this car much better. 60 limousine. Beautiful car. Look at this lineup. It doesn't do it justice on my phone, but it's incredible. We're going to take a fin walk real quick. Let's do it. 60 fins, 59 fins. Look at this fins. Oh, man. 60 fins, 59. Maybe, you know what? I'm just going to shut up and we're going to walk through the fins and I'm going to let you enjoy it. Incredible. 59. Low and long. I know this car too. Look at those fins. How rare is that to see all these fins lined up like that? Awesome. Sounds like my boy Tim Johnson's giving a speech. The Cadillac Kings have been an incredible group of guys. They've treated me with nothing but respect and kindness. I really appreciate the Cadillac Kings.
Hey, you guys.
That's it.
King Daddy Caddy.
Thank you.
Mad respect to this guy for just completely enhancing the custom Cadillac scene.
Nice to meet you, man.
Behind the scenes, bro. One guy ruined it. Actually, the Canadian ruined it. That's okay.
This is my buddy Roldan. He is this is my favorite car here. This is actually a real limousine. It's 60 Cadillac limousine. I was explaining my car is actually it's known as the 9-passenger sedan. This is a real limousine because it has the divider window in it, and I am in love with this car.
Thank you.
Roldan, tell me about your car.
Yeah, so nice to meet you. It's my pleasure.
My pleasure.
It's an honor. I want to tell you, long story short, I grew up on Cadillacs. My dad had a 60, I don't know if it was a passenger or limo. I believe it was a limo. Always wanted one all my life. I have a Fleetwood. Always was looking for this. I was searching the internet, saw this on eBay, knew nothing about bidding, nothing about anything other than I saw a picture. I put a bid on it, didn't think anything of it. Put another bid on it, didn't think anything of it. They said I was outbid. 47 seconds left till the bid was over. Put my last bid on it. It said, you've been outbid. Put my phone down. 3 hours later, I look at my phone. It says, congratulations, you're the high bidder. $500 deposit is now due. And I was freaking out and didn't know what I got into. Thank God I had Chad from Cadillac Kings Vegas there. He received it at his house for the barbecue for Cadillac Kings. And
So you just got it.
I just got it. I received it here. 2 weeks later, I come here, which was just yesterday. I pull up to the hotel, and it was sitting in valet waiting for me, and that's the first time I put my eyes on it. I'm in love. It has a little bit of work. You know, it's an original. It's not a Survivor. It's an original, but I am very blessed, and I have a lot of plans for it.
The car is incredible. Like I said, I love it. Maybe we can get a few pictures of the cars together. We can try.
Yeah, man,
But well done. I mean, you did not go wrong buying this thing. It's incredible, and you're not going to find another one.
Likewise. Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. I'm filming for my insurance company when I hit one of these. Take care. Good seeing everybody. Bye bye. Adios.
Have a good one, man.
The sunlight just looked nice on the car, so I thought I'd get a little video of it. I'm back. I absolutely had a great time. The Cadillac Kings are awesome. What an event they put on. I want to thank them for inviting me. Over the years, I've been to different Cadillac Kings events over different cities, never here in Vegas, but the Cadillac Kings have gone out of their way to be super nice and respectful to me. It's been incredible. What a great bunch of people, guys and girls. I really appreciate it, Cadillac Kings. I had a good time, and we'll be seeing each other again soon. You guys are doing something right. Thank you.